My back hurts, everything's just hurting. I'm like, oh my God, like, am I even gonna live to see the age of 54?
Baby, shampoo and come and save me.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome. So I'm actually getting dressed because I am going to go out and take some pictures for a brand. I'm just moisturizing my lips right now. I lost my lip balm, so I'm using some oil. So basically I'm just going to do my everyday makeup look, nothing special. This is what I do every single time I get ready. Every time I need to do something, go out, go to the store, you know, just do whatever. This is what I do. The very first thing I'm going to do, of course, you guys already know. You know what's up. I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using my Clinique ID Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel. This is perfect because your bitch is oily. So I just pump a couple pumps on and then I spread it all over my face like lotion, including my under eye. Make sure you get to your neck so that everything's even. The next products that I take before I start putting the makeup on my face is the Dermalogica Light Activated Skin Defense. It's an SPF, and I have realized that if you are an oily person and you realize your skin makes a lot of oil, putting an SPF into your routine actually really helps the oil control, and it smells so good. Dermalogica is such a good brand too as well. Before I put my primer on, I like to do my eyebrows because my eyebrows take forever to do. For my eyebrows, I'm just doing what every basic bitch does. I'm brushing them up and then I'm gonna fill them in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, okay? Okay. Okay, so I actually ordered some things from Glossier. Well, I ordered two things from Glossier and I'm gonna use them because why not? It's got the Boy Brow, which I'm gonna use right now, in Black Noir. I love this stuff. It's so good, but it's so precise and it's so good. I'm gonna see if I can get closer and show you. Like, it's so just like little and precise, and I like that. I like that it finishes up the brows. I'm just gonna clean up my brows. They don't have to be perfect, but I'm gonna clean them up. I swear, I'm 26 years old, guys, and my back stays hurting. Like, I am aging so quickly, and it's really stressing me out. I feel like I'm 57. I swear to God, my parents do not even feel as bad as I feel, and it really worries me. My back hurts, everything's just hurting. I'm like, oh my God, like, am I even gonna live to see the age of 54? So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Skin Perfecting Primer. This is also from Dermalogica. I really like their products and their makeup products because they work. Shocker. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, especially my T-zone area, because my T-zone area is the area that tends to get the most oily, which is pretty standard in people. And then from Glossier, I also picked up the Skin Perfecting Skin Tint because this stuff works so good. Like, I love it for everyday wear. It just looks like this. It comes in a little like squirter bottle. It's like a lazy girl's makeup, you know what I mean? Like this and this are like, I don't want to wear makeup, but I want to look decent. I want to look glowing. But I think that's just Glossier's brand. And then I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to just stipple that into my skin. I like to go in with my beauty blender and kind of just press into it just to make sure that everything is good. I low-key want coffee right now. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I feel like I need like a pick-me-up. I feel like I need energy. I feel like I'm kind of just dead today. Like, I'm not 100% at my full maximum capacity. And then for concealer, I stole this from my sister. It's the Extra Coverage Concealer Matte Finish by a brand called Magic Collection. I'm pretty sure this is like the beauty supply store concealer, but the only reason why I like to use this concealer is because of the color. I don't have a concealer, as you can see, that's like a lot lighter and brightening, that's going to brighten up my under eye. So I use this more for the color, not the formula. The formula is not my favorite. It's kind of sticky, but I use it anyway. Go in with my beauty blender and just bounce that into my skin. Okay, so now basically I need to contour because I don't want to look like an egg. So I'm going to, or do I? Because I really like eggs actually. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. This is in the shade Deep. I'm gonna take one of these colors, just, you know, dip my stippling brush or whatever brush you wanna call this. It's kind of like a contour brush. And I'm just gonna take it around my cheekbones to give my cheekbones a little bit more definition. I'm not really big on like extreme contouring, so I kind of just like my, you know, face to have a little bit of dimension and not look like a flat rock. Put a little emphasis on my nose. These past couple weeks on my channel have been like extremely difficult. Let me tell you why. It's been extremely difficult because I had a video on my channel go semi-viral, and that was cool. Like, that was a cool thing. Like, when a video goes viral for your channel, that's a big step. Like, you're like, okay, I'm getting up there. I'm doing something. I'm making something of myself. I'm making it on this platform, and it's exciting. But no one ever tells you, like, that if that video is driving like 80% of the traffic on your channel, that when it drops off, which this video randomly out of nowhere just dropped. Like, it was like going up, and then all of a sudden it was just like, you know what, bitch, fuck it. Bam, and drops. And like my whole entire, like, it sent a ripple effect through my channel. It sent a ripple effect through my channel, and it's so clear and obvious. Everything has dropped because of that one video. Like, YouTube's algorithm is like, no, we don't see all the other 5 or 6 videos that you have done that, you know, are still doing good. This one is the one that has just the most views and the most watch time. So if this one drops off, let's just deem her channel bad. Like, let's just deem her channel that it just doesn't have, basically, you know, what we thought it had. And so I've been dealing with that and trying to figure out like how I can get it back up, how I can get my views back up. Everything's dropped, and it just it just really sucks. Like, it's something that I've been like, damn. I basically said like, that's normal. Like, what happened was normal. That happens. Like, most of my views were coming or were being driven from that video. So now that the video has dropped, what's happening is I'm seeing a ripple effect, and it's affecting my entire channel. And I'm like, I hate that. I genuinely hate that. Just to add a little bit more definition, I go in with my MAC contour. I like this brush because it's so soft, so it really disperses the product so evenly on my face, especially with MAC, because MAC is so pigmented. Like, you have to be super careful. But this is just a regular Wet n Wild brush that I bought from the dollar store, so only $1, but yeah, it does so good. I'm gonna put some blush on. This is my favorite part. Like, I love adding a lot of blush. I love blush. So I'm just gonna, this brush is wet. We'll use this one. This brush is wet too. Just gonna add some really pretty blush to my face. To just take a little bit on my nose. By the way, I will put every single thing that I used down below so you can check it out if you're interested in it. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit broke, so now I have to be super careful. Just wanna add like a little bit. Can't forget the brow bones. I'm gonna do a really thick eyeliner just to add a little bit of the oomph, add some lashes, and then do the lip. Okay, so I did the wing. It actually came out pretty good today. Like, a lot of the times my wing just be all jacked up and I'm like, whatever, I'm not even gonna deal with it, I let it go. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of, what is this called again? Oh yeah, mascara. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. This is the Glossier Lash Slick. I really like Glossier products, if you haven't been able to tell. And then I just put one layer of this on so that when I put my falsies on, they blend in pretty good. For lashes, I always use, which I want to start branching out and trying something else. So if you guys know any good lash brands that are inexpensive and have really pretty lashes, let me know. But these are the Kiss lashes in the style 11, and these are my favorite lashes. They're in the drugstore. They're at CVS, and don't go to Walmart because when you go to Walmart, they're always out of these lashes. They never have them, but if you go to like CVS or Walgreens, they always have them. Now I'm just gonna take a makeup cotton pad and some makeup remover, and I'm just gonna wipe the excess makeup that is on my lips. I cannot find my lip balm, so I'm just using some of the Ordinary's oil. This is the Ordinary cold pressed virgin marula oil. Just gonna add some of this to my lips. All right, and then I'm gonna try to go in with a red color. I really want a red, like, pop-in lip, but I don't have red lipstick. So I'm gonna try to make a cool color with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit, and then I will come back and show you the finished look. Okay guys, I think I got a pretty good red lip going here. I'm hyped about how the color turned out. I'm kind of really maybe I should just like make lipsticks. I don't know, because this is like a good color, right? All right guys, so I'm going to go and take my picture, and thank you so much for tuning in and watching me just get dressed and put on my makeup. Well, not really get dressed, watching me put on my makeup. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. You're a real one. You really mean a lot to me. I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.